Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country so we be Nigeria. Once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates. We get reports from my table like this way the general public need to be aware about. And normally this informate na update about the things and things wey dey play for inside Rivers State. And the cocoa now be say one countryman wey dey go by the name Lere Olayinka. He na the senior special assistant to the FCT Minister on public communication and social media. He na don come outside the yarn say the Minister of FCT wey be Wike is willing to participate in peace talk to resolve the Rivers State political crisis. According to Oga Olayinka, Wike is not opposed to discussions. Wike no dey against talk wey go restore order for inside Rivers State. But however, Oga Wike dey believe say the Rivers State Governor wey be Fubara supposed to enforce the Supreme Court verdict after it was issued. That is that time wey the Rivers State House of Assembly bin yarn give am say oya bring the 2025 budget come and present it. He supposed to carry am sharparly go drop but in delay. And no be lie my good people, the crisis for inside Rivers State dey come from political beef between Fubara and Oga Wike wey be his former mentor. And no be lie, Wike play a major role in the election of Fubara as a governor. Wike do a lot. Wike be like the umbrella, the bridge wey Fubara climbed to become governor of Rivers State. But now that relationship, aeroplane don jam am. These men now don dey kwata, don dey fight themselves, and it no make sense at all. Now, while some political commentators dey hold Wike responsible for the turmoil, normally many men dey, experts, activists, former presidential candidates too, all of them plenty wey dey blame Oga Wike na be the cause of things and things wey dey play for inside Rivers State. And as they blame Oga Wike, many still dey wey dey argue say na the decisions of the Rivers State Governor wey be Fubara na fuel the conflict. Say the things and things wey the man decide to do, e no make sense at all. That na why the tension come escalate reach the level wey e dey so. Oga Olayinka still dey yarn say the National Assembly get a duty to step in and mediate such crisis. The National Assembly get am as their mandate to calm down any form of crisis wey dey arise for inside Rivers State. But e fail to do so within their legislative role. Imagine say fire dey burn and you get water to quench the fire but you no quench am. Those kind thing e no make sense. Oga Lere Olayinka come still dey yarn say normally the presidency get the option to intervene if they don see am say e dey necessary for them to intervene. But despite allegations say na Wike na dey block reconciliation, Oga Olayinka dey yarn say all those claims now dey talk say na the minister na dey cause am, the minister no want peace. All those claims na fallacy. Say Oga Wike wey be minister of the FCT, nobody like peace reach am. Nobody want make the tensions calm down reach am. The man is very much open for dialogue. According to how the talk dey fly out from the mouth of Oga Olayinka, he said the minister, that is Wike, is very much willing to sit down and have discussions. The National Assembly sef get role to play in calming down the tensions for inside Rivers State. And if the presidency choose to intervene again, despite the past criticisms of interference, despite the talk wey men don yarn for the presidency as they want to put mouth reach, if dem still say they wan put mouth, no wahala, it's up to the presidency. This na wetin dey come outside from the mouth of Olayinka. And based on wetin im talk now, im dey try yarn say him as minister of FCT and former governor of the state go sit down. The lawmakers of the Rivers State House of Assembly, they go sit down. The Rivers State Governor wey Fubara go also sit down. And together they go come calm down, talk wetin be their problem. Together they go come calm down, talk wetin be the solution of their problem. And no be lie, if men true take this decision, if men true do like that, e no get anyhow wey peace no go dey restored for inside Rivers State. Because by coming together, them go address the kwata from the root. Even the human rights advocates, man wey dey go by the name Peter Aka, he said don clearly talk am. Say if they wan resolve the crisis for inside Rivers State, that one dey go beyond addressing the symptoms of the problem. E dey require tackling the problem from the root cause. For inside one interview wey the human rights activists get with Tori people, now im come dey explain. Say the issue now wey dey for inside Rivers State, the thing originates from the minister of FCT wey be Wike, wey dey believe say im dey entitled to control how governance dey work for inside Rivers State. Sake of say im play significant role sake of say im contribute to the election victory of Sasim Fubara. And the human rights activist come still dey yarn say for inside the year 2023 Oga Wike beat im chest dey talk say na im single-handedly buy forms for all the candidates under the People's Democratic Party for inside Rivers State election. And by Wike coming outside to buga like that, for him to come outside dey beat im chest, im dey believe say na im be the main orchestrator of the victory of Sasim Fubara in the governorship election. And sake of say im face show, im shoe shine, and na im do major role for the election victory, im dey feel as if that na come give am green card, that na don give am visa for him to get a major say in how Sasim Fubara go take run his administration. According to how the talk take fly out from the mouth of the human rights advocate wey be Peter Aka, he say if person want to address the issues for inside Rivers State, that person must go to the root cause of the problem. Any other thing wey the person dey do na addressing symptom na be that. And wetin be the root cause of the problem for inside Rivers State? One man wey be former governor, man wey get the opportunity to become former chairman and chief of staff, im dey believe say im don get so much power so tey im come go dey post am for TV for inside 2023 say na im single-handedly purchase form for everybody to contest election for inside Rivers State under the People's Democratic Party for inside the year 2023, and na im install the government for inside Rivers State. So based on say im do all these levels, im dey believe say im get the right to dictate how government go take run for the administration. So right now, before countrymen begin dey pay attention to why one person go dey buga say na im install a government, Rivers State people no get the capability to pick a governor by themselves. Dis my good people na how Peter Aka wey be the human rights advocate take yarn for inside the interview wey im get with Tori people. And now the senior special assistant to the FCT Minister on Public Communications and Social Media wey be Oga Larry Olayinka, im na don come outside dey yarn say im ready to sit down, and the Rivers State House of Assembly, the lawmakers wey dey loyal to him go still sit down, and the governor of the state wey be Sasim Fubara go sit down. They go come talk how peace wan take plaster for inside Rivers State. But if e be say wetin the human rights advocate dey yarn na legit, that is as Wike now don make sure say na Sasim Fubara become governor, im dey reason say na him suppose to dey control how things go take play for inside Rivers State. If e be say all those talk dey legit and true true Oga Wike get that mindset, and him plus the lawmakers of Rivers State wey dey under him too wan come go get meeting, peace talks with the Rivers State governor, that go mean say na 2 against 1, and e no get anyhow wey the Rivers State governor Sasim Fubara go agree to things like that. Based on the lifestyle of the Rivers State governor, men no believe say im go agree, men no believe say im go let Oga Wike begin dey dictate how governance wan take play for inside Rivers State. Dis my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the matter be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so then feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Once again, na we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. So if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey come with more latest, na you go first get the update and you go even receive am sharp. Now me dey come back with more news, with more updates and reports for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.